In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Google Bard AI. If you're a beta tester, then you can use the Google Bard AI by simply going ahead and opening up a web browser. In the search box, type in bard.google.com and search. Once you end up in the official page, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. You can access your Google Bard AI by entering your email address for your Google account. Go ahead and type in your email or phone number associated with one of your Google accounts and enter your password on the next page. After you do that, tap next. And then, if enabled, go ahead and complete your two-step verification process. After you are done with it, you'll be logged into your Google Bard AI. Now, once you're logged into it, you can go ahead and type in a prompt in the text box at the bottom. After you type in your question, Google Bard AI will come up with a response. You can go ahead and start a conversation or start making a request according to your choice. That is how you can easily access the Google Bard AI right from your smartphone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.